All right, welcome back to another day, money makers. This is called Get One+1. And it's basically they're looking for iPhone users. So if you do not have an iPhone user, if you're not an iPhone user, then this doesn't apply to you. They're looking for different people around the world, but you have to have an iPhone. And if you don't have an iPhone, then you just don't qualify for this particular research project. So please do, please have an iPhone. And then they're going to ask you a whole bunch of questions throughout the survey to kind of see if you're the right candidate they're looking for, like your name, your age, your gender, what type of iPhone you have. And then they really want to call you to kind of confirm some things, to make sure that you are being honest and truthful in your survey. Because a lot of people, they lie in these surveys just to get in there to get the money. But if you don't have what they're looking for, they ask you a certain feature on the iPhone and you don't have that, then you're really being a disservice to them and to yourself, because what's going to happen is you won't qualify for any of the surveys or any of the projects ever again because you was dishonest and you didn't tell what you needed to tell. So it's really important that you get all of your information right and that they have exactly who they, name. So they're going to ask you a whole bunch of questions. Just say, I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. And then what is your email? You can just type in a email. It doesn't matter. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. And then, select whether you're male or female. Click OK. Where do you live? Let's just say um, United States. Um, and then what type of phone you have. I do not use an iPhone or a smartphone. I use an i. Just say you have the iPhone. And then what is some of your favorite hobbies? So they're just asking you a whole bunch of different questions. That's the thing about some of these surveys. Sometimes it's not always relevant to the actual study. And I never quite understand why they would ask any relevant questions. That part is amazing me, but I just go ahead and say, like, try not to look too hard and deep into that because maybe they just want to see if people are going to take it very seriously. So just select whatever ones as your favorite hobbies, and then you may be eligible for a panel launching soon. We'll reach out to you via email you provided with more eligible. So there they're looking for somebody that has an iPhone, and they're going to send a follow up email to make sure that you qualify for that. But other than that, you guys take care, and you guys have a great day. Welcome back, money makers. This is your boy Duran. As always, we stay making you have money here in your pockets on this channel. This is the Money Makers channel, where you can keep getting money consistently if you follow these steps that I'm about to show you here. Madai Monetize. You have never heard of this website. You have never heard of this website. You can earn when your audience earns. This is crazy. And you see here, $142 with Madai Monetize. Monetize all your social media accounts instantly, whatever your audience size is. Go ahead and get started for free. Click on that, and it's going to take you to registration. Put in your email, your password, confirm you're not, then click on register. But these are just all of the steps that you need to take heed to. But I am not going to hold you up any longer. But just these are some of the questions here that people might ask. How it works: you can invite your audience to engage and earn. Be sure to use your referral link when you share with your audience. We match to the best possible paying surveys. Our tech takes care of an AI supported survey matching and monetary rewards. And then this is so it kind of like a survey site slash a building, up your audience platform. You can earn minimum 25% of every survey taken forever. And then our features: easy payouts. They have PayPal, Aceto, Bitcoin vouchers, gift cards, zero restrictions like affiliation, and then you can go ahead and click start it. So these are just some of the questions that people might have asked over the years. So sign up, share your unique link with you followers, inviting them to share your opinions and get paid in real time. Is there a limit to how much I can earn? There's no limit to the amount of money you can earn with our tool. How much are your followers rewarded? Your followers are paid in real time, cash value, and there's no limit to the earnings. You choose the type of rewards, and you can earn happy anytime, as many times as they want. Can I use my own link to earn? Absolutely, you can use your own link to earn. And then they have a whole bunch of other questions, like an FAQ questions. So just go ahead and make sure you're looking up at Madai Monetize because they pay really well. But other than that, you guys have a great and wonderful day. You can check out the link in the description. Take care. Welcome back, Monday Moneymakers. This is your boy Duran, and as always, thank you for watching this video. It means the world that I've gotten over 200 subscribers, so I want to continue to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. But we got an exciting opportunity that's going to really make a difference in this world. And what I mean by that is content monetization for a lot of countries, and even more countries than you can imagine. And it's called Gan Jing World Content Monetization. So on this particular website, as of March 6, 2024 of this year, Gan Jing World is excited to announce a significant expansion of its content monetization program, extending exclusive invitations to eligible creators hailing from Taiwan, South Korea, and Vietnam. And it also includes the United States too. So if you're wondering if you can monetize, so basically, this is what this website is about. It's monetizing your content faster than YouTube, Rumble, or any other content monetization platform where you get paid to post videos or your content. And basically, you can make a decent amount of money with this particular website because it's expanding to a lot of countries, and it's going to be even expanding more to a lot of other countries as well too. So it's very important that you go ahead and create an account with them. As you can see here with my particular account, Pop and R&B Harmonic Blend. I went over this. I'm pretty sure I went over this with you guys before, but if I haven't, basically I created an account here and I sync my YouTube channel to them, so then you can start monetizing as soon as possible. Now, it might take a little bit of time for the videos to come in there, depending on how many videos you posted on YouTube, but that's okay. It will take some time for the videos to come. So if you have over 20 different videos, it ain't gonna be a day or two that it's gonna be coming. It's gonna be a couple of weeks. It might even take a couple of weeks for one video to show up here on this Gang World content monetization platform. So as you can see, I updated, my banner here and the profile to match what my channel name is on YouTube. And so you can go live here. You can post articles about different videos that you might have written, or different vlogs, or whatever your niche channel is. You can pretty much sync it from YouTube over to this platform and start getting monetized. Now, it's very important that not every country is going to qualify for this. So just to be sure, it's YouTube, Taiwan, South Korea, and Vietnam. And they're going to be expanding more to more countries through this beta testing phase that they're going through. So this marks a pivotal moment in our commitment to empowering creators worldwide, providing them with the tools and resources necessary to thrive on the fastest growing online platform. In the coming months, we will welcome eligible creators with even more markets into our fold. Gan Jing World is where wholesome content thrives. Today, we are pleased to make a big announcement starting in January 2024. Eligible and invited content creators can monetize their global video audience through our Content Monetization Program beta. This marks a significant milestone for creators, as the fastest growing online platform offers a wider reach, helping creators earn more for their works. Stay tuned as the revenue program plans to open up to creators in additional countries soon. So, pre-roll and in-stream video ads were designed to let creators monetize their video content on Gan Jing World, while making it easier for advertisers to reach massive audiences and sponsor great content. With this new content monetization program, I'm so excited. This is good news for a lot of people. Unfortunately, if they don't mention, United States or those other countries that I mentioned, that you probably won't be able to get monetized, but that's okay. They're going to be adding more, so just kind of get used to keep checking this, because these websites, they can change from month to month, so just keep checking it back. And it has never been easier to monetize video content on Gan Jing World. Content creators simply upload their long form videos and live streams to this platform and then are paid the majority of ad revenue. So unfortunately, I guess basically they're going to put ads in your videos just like they would in YouTube if you are monetized, and then you will get whatever the advertisers offer you for advertising the ad in your video. So it's similar to like YouTube, but you can get monetized a lot faster. So the benefits are, Gan Jing World is paying a competitive share of 55% of net revenues from ad. So you're only going to get the 55%. You're not going to get the full 100% from that, because the advertisements got to make their money too. Stingy people, we know. But at least we have another platform besides YouTube. Because I know a lot of times people say, oh, I'm not monetized because I have to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But there is other platforms, as I have mentioned on my channel, that you can start right away depending on the content that you have. And it's not going to be easy. You can still go to YouTube for those things, but to still make money. But you have other platforms that I've been trying to get you to notice too. So you're not just sitting there depending on one channel, and trying to reach those 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Because it can take months, years, just depends on your niche. But with this, you're going to get monetized really a lot quicker than having to wait on a particular criteria, guidelines to meet the monetization. So it's a lot of work, I understand, but you still have to put in content here. But I think if you have a YouTube channel, you can be able to sync it over. And that's another thing that I wanted to kind of talk to you guys about here too. So if you have a YouTube channel, you pretty much can start making money here. At the top right hand corner is going to be a profile, and you're going to click on over there, and it's going to take you where it says like YouTube sync, and then you can sync all your videos over from your YouTube to here. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm pretty sure you will find it here. Let me see here. You will be able to find it if you just once you click on your profile on the right hand corner, you will be able to find it. So yeah, creators, and you can even go here under creators and then get started. Obviously, I'm already in sign up, so it's going to be a little bit different, but you can create content, you can upload videos, you can schedule streams, you can create premieres, just like you would on YouTube, but basically all your content is going from YouTube over to here if you have the YouTube sync. And just like you would in Rumble, you would do that too. So, or you can just upload content directly here, either one, if you don't want to wait. Some people just don't want to wait to start getting monetized and for that YouTube to sync, because they got to do a lot of stuff in the background check to make sure that you are a legitimate channel and that you're not copying in anybody else. So, oh, this is where so basically, you see where it says YouTube sync. You're gonna click on that, and see, I already started mine. So I already started the sync from YouTube to Gan Jing World, which is this platform. And you can choose whatever one you want, like whatever date that you originally posted your first video. So if you got videos back from 2022, you're gonna be waiting a hot minute. So it ain't gonna be something that's very simplistic. You're gonna be waiting for all those videos to transfer over. If you only got one video like I do on this channel, you might make 1 or 2 weeks. So hopefully it's not too long. That you can choose the entertainment, you can choose your language, you can choose if you have a playlist, and then you can just pretty much start to sync. I don't want to stop this sync because I don't want to interfere with it syncing from YouTube to this, so I'm not going to do that. But obviously, if you have any, problems with it, I mean, obviously you can stop it and then restart it. But that is all I have for you guys today. And you can just take a look at your followers as you grow. And it's pretty much some of the same features that YouTube has, but you can get monetized a lot faster. And this is just another platform to stop waiting on YouTube and start making money as fast as you can. It might take some time, but just give it some time. Just keep posting consistently like you would on YouTube. Or if you're waiting for it to sync over, that's fine. Just wait. But like I said, in the meantime, while you're waiting on this platform to monetize you and YouTube to monetize you, you have other side hustles that I talk about on my channel. So look at those, and that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. It's really not much. It's really self-explanatory. It's even easier than YouTube to understand. But that is all I have. Make sure to follow up with me if you have any questions to schedule so we can sit down and discuss this if you don't understand further. But again, this platform is called Gan Jing World, where you can start monetizing in those specific countries that I mentioned in the beginning. But other than that, money makers, take care. See ya.